What's up guys, welcome to your third tutorial on on PHP, what am I talking about? Right, in this we're going to look at comments. And basically a comment is where you can leave a note for yourself which won't show up on your web page. If you do a long program, you might come across a part and go, well, what did I do here, what did I do there, or if you're passing the information on, sometimes people won't know what exactly you've been doing, okay? So if I just save this first of all, and I go in here to my browser, I've ran this already, and this is what we have, okay? Now, if I go back in and just try and comment out the first one, okay? So this double slash is a single line comment. I save this, okay? Back in here and refresh this page, it should disappear. There you go, gone. Now, if I want to do a multi-line comment, that means take out more than one line, this is what we would do. So I'm going to take all the things. It's still there for you to look at, but it just doesn't show up on your website. It's just not visible, but it's still on your own files, so you can know what you've done. So if I go back in here and refresh this page, voila, nothing, all gone. Okay, so there you go. Single line comment, multi-line comment, and simple enough, easy to do. Keep working on it guys, it's very easy, okay? Thanks very much for joining me in this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.